Dr. Bill, can you tell us about your portfolio?
Yes, I joined, it'll be just about 3 years next month, actually. And I'm in 22 deals.
Whoa, wait, 22 deals in as little as 3 years?
22 deals.
How many people have done this in 3 years?
I do have some deals with as many as 6 deals with one lead, but mainly separate leads. We're also in separate states, which makes it pretty interesting. Obviously, most of them are in Texas. I do have a couple in Florida. I do have a couple in Atlanta, and we have now one in Phoenix.
So, Dr. Bill, professionally, you're in the dentistry business. Is that correct?
I straighten teeth and make beautiful smiles.
There you go. And tell me, how does that work compared to your work as a passive investor?
Well, with the help of my wife, Jeannie, who's my office manager, I've created this wonderful job for myself. And honestly, I love what I do, but it's time to start phasing out. So in order to phase out, I was a traditional guy. We saved money, paid off our house, did all those sorts of things. But when you start thinking about retirement, well, I've got this pot of money. What am I going to do? Just spend it down? I don't really want to do that. I'd rather find some way to make some passive income. That's when I found and heard Dell on the radio, and the rest is pretty much history. But he's really helped us out. I never knew you could buy into apartment buildings. I never knew, and something Tom had mentioned, the cash flow is fantastic. The other thing is they do it right. It's tax-free.
Tax-free cash flow. How many people want some of that? Yeah. Let me ask you one quick question, Dr. Bill. When you get an opportunity, do you underwrite the deal first or do you underwrite the lead first? How does that work for you?
Great question. As I mentioned, when I first started, I went for the top leads more than the deal, although I've always wanted to look at possibly 8 to 10% yield with a value add. That's what I'm looking for. And then as I got into it more, if I if I didn't know the lead, if it was a first-time lead, yet if the KP that was going to be behind this lead was somebody I knew that was a former lead and or again, somebody that was up here, that tells me something. That lets me know that they're going to be watching that guy over his shoulder and watching what he's doing, and I trust him.
Dr. Bill, how long before you were able to deploy into your first investment?
From when we joined to the first deal was 4 months.